Sammy! Mud! You guys are funny! Woo! That tree's in the way. You now you're getting it! Oh, somebody ran through poop and it smells like poo-poo. Go, go, go! Maud wants to play. Go! Run, run! Oh, she boxed you. Rhino, you got drool. See if I can come in front of the tree without bothering them. Maud, did he take your friend? Look at you just stand there now. Ooh, slap, slap. Go, go! Get him, Sammy! He's gonna throw drool on you if you get close. Sammy, get him! Maud, did he take your toy? Sammy, get him! Jeez, he's got drool everywhere. Woo! Oh, y'all look cute together. Yeah, the lid was on that. We should put Maud in it. Woo! Ah! Oh, here she comes. Oh, she boxed him again. Dusty yard. Woo, she stands up on her hind leg. Come on. Wow. Woo! Look at them go. Oh, they're going to sleep good. Here goes Fatty. Look at her. She's in there too. Wow, she might actually lose some weight if she could keep up with them. That's cute. All of them running together. Are y'all getting tired? This whole yard is full of dust. Yeah. Go. Y'all aren't done. Go, go, go! Go! Rhino, she don't know what a dog door is. Maybe. She's about to find out. You gonna go potty yet? Oh, yep, she looks like... Oh, here she comes. Maud, there's your toy! Ah! She'll slap Maud, and Maud will be like, what the hell? Woo! This is awesome. They're having so much fun. I'm out. This has been like 4 minutes. I don't know how much this is gonna... Yeah, if your phone can even take it. But I'll try and I'll send it. I'm sure she'll figure out the dog door. Chat ya. Bye.